B, again, I want to say that we disagree with the fact that athletes shouldn't be paid more
Okay.
by compared with teachers
And nurses.
Okay, the first argument. I forgot. Okay, for the second argument was because their income depends on the market, and as Nick said earlier just now, it's because only a small percentage of people who train in sports actually become professional athletes, and they inspire many people. And in my perspective, I also think that athletes should be paid more because first, their jobs are very high risk in any given moment when they're training or like doing official match.
Yeah.
They can injure themselves,
I agree.
it could be like a career-ending injury, or their performance won't do as well. So because of the risk, it gives them like a limited time to actually earn the income that they need to sustain. And they train they train every day for like a lot of hours. They have to go through strict diets, and they also have to go through a lot of social pressure because of the expectations that
I agree with that.
people have on them to do better, especially if like they're very big athletes, well athletes, like those who represent the country and stuff.
Great.
The pressure is big, so I feel like they should be paid more.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lei.